then Bhagwan gives the response in the rest of the chapter, starting by saying that this body, O Kaunteya, is called the Kshetra. In other words, this body, taken this whole body, and of course Bhagwan kind of dissects it further, saying this is what the body is. This is called the Kshetra. And then he who knows this body, who knows the Kshetra, this field, is called the knower of the field, Kshetrajna. Okay, and this then are the two things which Bhagwan is going to talk and explain to Arjuna what these two terms are. And not only that, but he's going to talk about the relationship between the two and how one gets from one to the other. And he further says that those who know them, the Kshetra and the Kshetrajna, these are the sages. They have talked about this in many different ways, as Bhagwan will explain. So, just to remember, the Kshetra is the body, and the Kshetrajna is the knower of the field, which is nothing but the Purusha. So, here's the Mahāvākya of the Bhagavad Gita, 13, chapter, verse number 3. Know me as the knower of the field in all the fields. This is a definition of Ishvara. So I am that which is the knower of all the fields. All the fields mean each and every moving, unmoving thing in this totality of the created universe. I am the knower of this whole creation. And he says, knowledge of the field is also of the knower of the field. And that is considered by me to be my knowledge. So what does it mean? I am the knower of field in all the fields. The one reality which is supporting the totality of this many things in the creation. Secondly, the knowledge of the field and the knower of the field, which is the changing and the changeless, that is also nothing but me. And then he says, I am the knowledge. I am the ultimate reality. Aham Brahmasmi, as if he is saying this. That's why it's called the Mahāvākya of the Bhagavad Gita. He is now talking about the totality of this relationship between not only the created universe and the divine, the matter and spirit, but he also says, I am the ultimate reality. I am Brahman. So you can see, in one verse, Bhagwan is giving this Mahāvākya, this great statement, which is explaining exactly what divinity is. So this is worth actually memorizing this verse, because it will help us in many different situations.